Helo, shwmai, a chroeso nôl I Fydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmai, and welcome back to a very special Welsh Wednesdays. We are here at TAFWYL Festival in Cardiff Butte Park. This week we are going to learn a few words to do with TAFWYL and music festivals and music culture alike. Enjoy! TAFWYL is a completely free to enter festival that happens every year in Cardiff. It's funded by Menter Caerdydd and it's basically a festival that celebrates Welsh music, arts and language. It's welcome to language users of all different abilities, Welsh learners, fluent Welsh speakers, anything in between. It's such a good day. Felly, mae nawr yn amser I ni ddysgu mwy o Gymraeg yn TAFWYL. It's now time to learn some more Welsh at TAFWYL. Cerddoriaeth, music. Dawnsio, dancing. Anifeiliaid, animals. Bwyd stryd, street food. Cot glaw, raincoat. Pabell, tent. Llawer o bobl, lots of people. Felly dyna ni am wythnos arall o Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. That is it for another week of Welsh Wednesdays. Gwelch chi wythnos nesa am fwy o Gymraeg. See you next week for some more Welsh. Hwyl!